Good morning students. Last week we learned some formulas. Today we recall that formulas. So first, area of the square. What is the formula for area of the square? Area of the square equal to side into side. A square, that is A into A square unit. Next formula, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle, L into B, length into breadth. So L into B square units. Area of the square equal to A into A square unit. Area of the rectangle equal to L into B square unit. Next, area of the triangle. So area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. So half into B into H square unit. Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H square unit. Next, area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. So B into H. Area of the parallelogram equal to B into H square unit. Area of the trapezium. So area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square units. Area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square unit. Perimeter of the square, sum of 4 sides. So 4A unit. Perimeter of the square equal to 4A unit. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. Perimeter of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. So sum of 3 sides are the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter of the triangle equal to 3 sides. So 3A units. So perimeter of triangle equal to 3A. Once again I repeat. Area of the square equal to A squared equal to A into A square unit. Area of rectangle equal to L into B square unit. Area of the triangle equal to half into B into H square unit. Area of the parallelogram equal to B into H square unit. Area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square unit. Perimeter of the square equal to 4A units. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. Perimeter of the triangle equal to 3A. We solve one sum. Here one square is given. Side is 4 centimeter. 4 sides are equal. So all sides having 4 centimeter. So side A equal to 4 centimeter. Side A equal to 4 centimeter is given. You find the area of the square and find the perimeter of the square. So area. So area of the square. What is the formula for area of the square? Area of the square equal to side into side. So A into A. So A equal to 4 centimeter. So you substitute the value in this formula. So 4 into 4. 4 4s are 60 centimeter square. So area of the square equal to 16 centimeter square. Next you find the perimeter of the square. What is the formula for perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square equal to 4A. 4 into side. So 4 into A. What is the value for A? A equal to 4 centimeter. So you substitute the value. So 4 into 4. 4 4s are 60 centimeter. In this sum, area of the square equal to 16 centimeter square and perimeter of the square is 16 centimeter. Next sum. Here one rectangle is given. Length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So L equal to 7 centimeter and breadth B equal to 2 centimeter is given. You find perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. So first you write area of the rectangle. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle equal to L into B square unit. Area of rectangle equal to L into B, length into breadth. So here L equal to 7 centimeter and B breadth equal to 2 centimeter. Substitute the value. So 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So 14 centimeter square is the area of the given rectangle. Next you find perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. So you substitute the value for L and B. L equal to 7 centimeter and B equal to 2 centimeter. So 7 plus 2. First you add 7 plus 2. So 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So 2 into 9, 18. So 18 centimeter is the perimeter of the given rectangle. Area of the rectangle is 14 centimeter square and the perimeter of rectangle is 18 centimeter. Here ABC triangle is given. Base AB equal to 9 centimeter and the height CD equal to 11 centimeter is given. You find the area of the given triangle. So AB base equal to 9 centimeter and height of the triangle H equal to 11 centimeter is given. You find the area of the triangle. What is the formula for area of the triangle? Area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. So half into B into H. Here B equal to 9 centimeter and H equal to 11 centimeter. Substitute the value in this formula. So 1 by 2 into 9 into 11. So 9 11s are 99. 99 divided by 2. 99 divided by 2 is 49.5 centimeter square. So 99 by 2 equal to 49.5 centimeter square. So area of the given triangle equal to 49.5 centimeter square. Next sum. Here ABCD parallelogram is given. Base of the parallelogram equal to 10 centimeter and height of the parallelogram equal to 8 centimeter. So base B equal to 10 centimeter and height H equal to 8 centimeter is given. Here you find the area of the parallelogram. What is the formula for area of the parallelogram? Area of the parallelogram equal to B into H square unit. Here B equal to 10 centimeter and H equal to 8 centimeter. Substitute the value B and H in this formula. We get 10 into 8. So 10 8s are 80. 80 centimeter square is the area of the given parallelogram. Next sum, we can draw one trapezium. Here A, B, C, D trapezium is given. AB equal to 20 centimeter, CD equal to 10 centimeter and height distance between two opposite parallel sides is height. So height equal to 9 centimeter. So base here ABCD trapezium is given. One side of equal to 20 centimeter. Opposite parallel side equal to B equal to 10 centimeter and height equal to H equal to 9 centimeter is given. First you write the value for A, B, H. Next you write the area of the trapezium formula. What is the formula for area of the trapezium? Area of the trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B. Half into H into A plus B. Here H equal to 9 centimeter, A equal to 20 centimeter and B equal to 10 centimeter. Substitute the value in this formula. We get half into 9 into 20 plus 10. First you add 20 plus 10. So 20 plus 10 equal to 30. So 1 by 2 into 9 into 30. So 1 2 is 2, 15 2s are 30. 9 into 15. 9 15s are 135 centimeter square. So 135 centimeter square is the area of the given trapezium. Thank you.